Hello friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So TKD Health Tips is the channel you should subscribe for. So today we are going to see like how we can define the event log files to have a complete visibility of Salesforce org usage, and we will be using also we will be focusing on Einstein Analytics and also what can be done with the transaction security in the further videos. But let's see what we can achieve using event log files once we have event monitoring components. Now, what are the things which I can monitor? Basically, using the event monitoring data, I can query the fields on the event log file object. So basically, I can query for Apex execution. I can have an API class. I can do the console, content transfer, or any lightning errors or lightning page views, lightning performance, or like report REST APIs, or search clicks, or like a visual force page request, or like platform encryption, you name it. Also, as a part of this video, let's see if we can deep dive into Einstein Analytics event monitoring app. So basically, we will be using some pre-built dashboards once we have integration with event data, and let's see how we can go through that. So first thing we need to look for is basic. So we have to go to our event monitoring permission sets to find out like as a part of our this license, we should be getting event monitoring uh, admin and then event monitoring analytics user. So let us see if we are able to find out that. So let me go to the event monitoring analytics app. So yeah, here we have these two. So we need to assign these permission sets to the appropriate parties. Of course, not all can be an admin. So max of 10 can be users are available for an org. So just bear in mind with this fact. So now we have to turn on some setting in the event monitoring. So now I'm going to the event monitoring settings, and here we'll see something called view log data in analytics apps and the delete event monitoring data. We have to make sure that delete event monitoring data is toggled on, because sometimes because of GDPR rules or some Canadian rules, so we might have to make sure that we are able to delete the data of the login events. So we have for that. So let us go ahead and click on these, enable both these settings. Now next thing which we have to jump into is to go to our analytics section. When we type analytics, we see something like this. This needs to be done just one time, one at a time, once a time. So friends, so we'll go up and we'll start with we'll hop on to getting started button. So we will see something called as enable Einstein Analytics. So we will enable this Einstein uh, Analytics button here, and as you can see, Einstein Analytics pre-flight check, they are running a few checks to setting up the environment before the launch. So let's wait for that. I'll pause this video for a moment.
See the number of data rows. This is because
So this is most like an I mean, this is some error came up. So this is like a one-time activity. So Einstein Analytics is enabled now. So we'll click on OK, and we will see if actually it is enabled or not. All right, there's some problem going on. So when I try to click on, so as you see, this is activated, friends. So it was a small issue. I didn't had access of Einstein Analytics on my user, so I gave Analytics Cloud to my user, and I was able to enable this Einstein Analytics setup. So as of now, I have five number of data sets in my org. I'll be having more in the future. So at the bottom, you there is an option to disable the Einstein Analytics as well, which we can do that in if someone wants to do that. So here, if you see here, there are plethora of cases which wherein you can use the Einstein Analytics. So I mean, feel free to explore all these. So which is beyond the scope of this video for sure, but we'll have it more. So we are here discussing only about the event monitoring app. So let's focus our discussion there only. Thank you, friends. So here we are going to launch the Einstein Analytics, but one more point is like there is another way of going to the analytics is like basically there is an, if you see here, there is called as Analytics Studio. So Analytics Studio is for admin. So as I'm an admin, so I'll be having this Analytics Studio access. So just bear in just another point for you to remember. So let us launch our Einstein Analytics and see how it goes. And please bear in mind that this looks pretty much same like Salesforce Analytics, like a Salesforce, but here in we are using the Analytics Studio. Though it looks similar, but this is totally a different environment. So we don't have to switch over anything, but just to bear in mind about these things. So friends, herein we have a create button. So let's go and create an app for this. So we will let's name this app as maybe the event. Let's give it as like event monitoring. Let us see, let's create one dashboard using this. So let us try to create a dashboard from template, and like we have a good couple of good templates here, like details dashboard. Like we can have like a record level details in a table and include KPIs in a stat side panel. We can have a performance summary, which is interesting. So we can go to click on, let's try with the performance summary, and like what is the data set we want. We have to select a data set. So we haven't yet reached to that point, it looks like. So we have to create a data set first, and then probably we will come up here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so till now. And we will keep we'll be moving further with this tutorial, and we'll see how we can create a data set and we can choose a data set here. Thank you, friends.